Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few lipsticks that I picked up from Amazon. All of them are like different shades of nude lipsticks. I also have some browns. So Amazon is having their mega fashion days from the 24th to the 26th of October. You can get extra cashback of rupees 300 on fashion and beauty products on a minimum shopping of rupees 3000. They also have up to 80% discount on men's and women's clothing and footwear, also on kids clothing and footwear, luggage, watches and jewelry. They have up to 70% off on beauty and makeup. You can also get up to 50% discount on luxury beauty products. They also have free delivery and a lot of other offers and discounts. I think you should definitely check it out. I'll have the links in the description box. So I think you should make use of the sale and shop for whatever you need. Like I picked up all of these items on discount and I have some amazing new lipsticks to show you. These are not new in the market, but I have not used them before. All of these formulas I'm trying out for the first time. If you want to know what lipsticks I got, please continue watching. So I got the most affordable lipstick from Insight. It retails for rupees 90, but I got it for rupees 77. So this one is the Insight non-transfer lip color in the shade 01 Joyful. It's sort of like a coffee brown shade. It's quite dark. Here is a swatch. The formula of this one is quite good. It doesn't have the extremely light-sucking dry quality of a liquid lipstick. It is quite comfortable on the lips. It doesn't settle into the lines. It's sort of a moussey texture that settles into a matte finish after some time, and this is how it looks on me. If you have dry lips, you will need to prep it a little bit. Use a lip balm in advance. Then you'll have absolutely no problems with this one. It's actually better than a lot of other popular and more expensive liquid lipsticks that I have. I think this size is perfect because you can then try out different colors and also possibly finish it up. I quite like this one. You can definitely give this a try. The second one that I have is another liquid lipstick. It comes in a really cute cardboard box. It's from Rene and I'm trying this brand for the first time. Look at this, how cute this is. It's a very tiny lipstick. It's in the shade Castle of Nude. So let's just swatch it. It's sort of like a pink lipstick for me. It's got purple undertones. The lipstick from Rene, and this is not really a nude lipstick. It can be a nude for a lot of people, but it looks more pink on me. I do not own a lot of pink lipsticks. This is quite a nice shade. Let's talk a little bit about the formula. It's quite nice, it's lightweight and it doesn't feel too drying as well, but it's very matte. You need to give it a little bit of time to settle down and then it becomes completely matte and transfer proof. So this is the second lipstick that I got from Rene and it's quite nice. You can give it a try. The next one that I have is from L'Oreal. It is their Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick and I have got the shade, I believe. I'll just show you how the lipstick looks like. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I'm sure you all have seen this and you've used it as well. I really wanted to try this since a long time, but I finally got my hands on it. I was not really buying lipsticks because I don't know, I have a lot of them, but I finally gave in and I bought a few of them and I'll just show you how the shade is. So this one is the L'Oreal lipstick. It's sort of like a nudish shade with a lot of peachy undertones. And the formula is so weightless. It's very watery. You will have to give it a lot of time to settle down into sort of a very comfortable matte finish. I haven't tried a liquid lipstick like this before. The formula is very unique and the shade is also very flattering for my skin tone. I really like such peachy shades. And I don't think this one is 100% transfer proof. It transfers a little bit, but that is completely fine with me. Because it's so comfortable on the lips. So this one is the third lipstick that I got and I really like it. The next one is from Bellora Paris. It's in the shade Wild Peaches. This is how the cardboard box looks like and I'll just show you the lipstick. This is how the lipstick looks like. This feels like a very luxurious lipstick, and I'll just give you a swatch. This is quite a dark shade. I had imagined this to be a little bit lighter, but this is the one. It's like more of a rust orange color than a peach color, and it's sort of like a very festive color. I feel oranges are so festive. This is how it looks on me. It looks quite nice on the lips. It's also got a little bit of a red undertone, and the formula is very comfortable. It's sort of like a soft matte finish again, and this one is very pigmented as well. The only sort of proper matte liquid lipstick that I showed in this video is from Rene, the second one. All the rest of them are like soft mattes and comfortable mattes, but all of them feel very nice on the lips. I really like the packaging and the feel of this lipstick, and you get a lot of product as well. The last two lipsticks that I have are from this brand called Daughter Earth. I have never tried anything from them before, so I have a lipstick, like a proper lipstick, and I also have this lip and cheek tint. So I'll just show you the tint first and then we can move on to the lipstick. So the tint comes in this really cute packaging, and it also feels quite luxurious. I really like the design. You get this container inside. I got the shade Desert Nude. It's like a nudish brown shade, and this is beeswax free. This brand also works with natural and a lot of clean and good ingredients that are nourishing, and they do not have any toxins, and these lipsticks are also vegan. So this is the first time that I'm going to be trying a vegan lipstick or a lip tint. So this is how it looks. I'll just swatch it for you. This shade is so nice. It's a lip and cheek tint, so you can use it on your cheeks as well, like a blush. You can actually use any lipstick on your cheeks like a blush, but this one is specifically meant to be used on your lips and your cheeks as well. In fact, you can also use this on your eyes to add like a little bit of color. That way this is like a multi-purpose product. It's got a very comfortable feel. This is how it looks on me. So I got this lip and cheek tint. Coming to the last lipstick, this is like a proper lipstick that I got from Daughter Earth, and it's in the shade Sultry Cocoa. It has this outer cardboard box. It mentions that it has clean ingredients and it is also vegan. This is how the lipstick looks like. It's quite a luxurious packaging. This is the shade. It's a deep pink nude shade. This is actually the one that I have on my lips in this video, and it's got a comfortable matte finish. It's not at all drying, and it has a lot of nourishing ingredients, and it's also quite moisturizing. It has a soft matte finish. You can always powder it down and make it completely matte. I quite like this shade. It's something that I don't usually wear. So this is the last lipstick that I got from Amazon. So these were the lipsticks that I picked up from Amazon during their sale. Let me know which lipstick shade did you like the most, and if you have tried these lipsticks before and which one is your favorite, or if you would like to try any of these, I'd love to know. I naturally gravitate towards these colors like nudes and browns and rust oranges. These are the kind of shades that I usually wear. So I got all the lipsticks in these shades, and these will also work for a lot of different skin tones. So definitely make use of the sale and get whatever you require. I will have the links to all the products that I showed in this video in the description box, along with links to my social media. If you like this video, then I'm sure you're going to love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. That is it for this video. I'm going to see you very soon in my next one. Bye.